Courthouse Square complex, located in Salem, Oregon, was constructed in 2000 to enhance the state capital's downtown district, consolidate county services, and to provide a transit mall to residents. Just 2 years after it had opened, imperfections in the structure began to surface. After a comprehensive structural analysis in 2010, it was discovered that these imperfections were, in fact, serious structural defects that required a complete shutdown of the complex and relocation of the services housed there.
The challenges associated with Courthouse Square is it's a downtown, full-block office building and transit mall that serves the capital city. Over 300 people work in this building, and it immediately had to be shut down. And so we really had to focus on whether it was a viable option to proceed and to repair the building and the transit mall.
Because of the combined technical and cost challenges of the comprehensive repair project, a design-build delivery system was selected by the county in order to find the best solution at an economical price. This would encompass repairs essential to the complex's structural integrity and included seismic upgrades, refreshed interior finishes, exterior masonry repairs, and repairs in passenger waiting areas on the transit mall. Many structural upgrades also occurred in the underground parking garage and within the building's structural frame.
The important part for us was not only to make sure we selected a team that is going to repair and remediate the building and the transit mall back to a proper condition, but also to address public relations concerns. And we wanted to make sure the firms that we chose had good credibility for what we were about to do, so that when we were all done, we not only had a sound facility, but also the community felt credible that we did the right thing.
Given extensive repair experience and state-of-the-art strengthening solutions, a design-build team led by Structural was unanimously selected by the county to carry out the $22.9 million project.
One of the reasons we hired Structural is because of their reputation in the business and because they made one of the best proposals for remediation of our very large building.
Structural finalized plans and mobilized to begin construction activities in November of 2012. Site preparation began by implementing a detailed safety plan for the project, which included access and protection to ensure the safety of the general public and crews working on site.
You know, as a company, Structural has a very strong safety culture, but not everybody's going to share that same culture. So making sure that expectations were set from the get-go, that we were able to bring in people and express that this is how we as a company do things.
During the 18 months of construction, over 150,000 square feet of Class A office space was renovated through proven proprietary construction products provided by Structural Technologies. The repair methodology involved a variety of custom-designed strengthening techniques. Over 275 columns were addressed, using a combination of concrete enlargement, installation of column capitals, and application of the VRAP carbon fiber system to meet structural requirements. Between section enlargement and concrete overlay, over 2,000 yards of concrete were poured. The column enlargement and shear cap installation was performed with self-consolidating concrete, pumped as high as 5 stories and as far away as 300 feet, all while protecting interior finishes. The project scope also included extensive upgrades to the building envelope and interior. The exterior masonry facade and select masonry column locations had to be repaired. Deflected slab conditions throughout the building had created uneven floor surfaces for employees and patrons. A self-leveling overlay was installed throughout the building to correct these conditions. The Structural team completed the project in early 2014, and soon after, the Courthouse Square Task Force held a ribbon-cutting ceremony to celebrate the successful restoration of the complex. Dave Clark and the Structural team were recognized by Marion County officials for their efforts to revitalize this important Salem business center.
The remediation of Courthouse Square complex was absolutely the right thing to do. And Structural was absolutely the right team to bring the project to a successful conclusion. We have a safe building, a safe transit mall. We have a 50-year life service to the building, and we couldn't have asked for more.
Through Structural's design-build approach, the collaborative effort of the project team members, and local engineering and contracting partners, Courthouse Square has been restored to a fully functional office building and transit center for the citizens of Marion County to rely on for years to come.